Mintirong ba jala ka Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma ka artarik noitung laple pai ba ya ka jingstang pentrekam jeng skhim na Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA haki jaka bala tip kum ki census tang haka jelang bala pelong ha state convention center haka ne ke jelang le don langru ba hamlet sandoling menteri berikmi ya community and rural development ki MLA na ki tonsi ba per Usampat Kumar principal secretary u chief executive member ka khasil system district council uba titas W Khan na lor ki weipan Mintirong ba lapan pau ka jing ai khuble ya ka Ministry of Rural Development ka Sarkar India ban pensisa ya ka longkaman ki census tong da ka bakado ba kamde ka basuk andre ka simpor ban penulong ya ka ni ka jingtmu.
And I don't have to tell all of you because all of you already know that because of this ambiguity in the actual classification of census towns, neither were the census towns able to receive urban schemes, nor were you able to get rural schemes. So you were neither here or neither there. And that was a great disadvantage because we were not able to get the kind of development programs and schemes that other sections of society in other areas were receiving. And therefore, this simple clarification which was given by the Government of India, which simply says that MGNREGA is applicable for rural areas only. And to the extent the census towns have not been notified as urban area or as cantonment area, hence the MGNREGA can operate in these census towns. It was just a simple line, but this has now changed the entire dynamics of how MGNREGA will be implemented in the census towns. And I'm very happy, and I must say I'm satisfied to see today that a very important issue which I have been communicating and discussing with all of you. So many of you have met me personally. Many local leaders have met me personally, demanding that this should be clarified and the census towns should get the MGNREGA. It is with a great sense of satisfaction today that I stand here that Government of India has agreed to give the census towns the MGNREGA benefit and the scheme. We had started off with a budget of, well, not started off, but we had reached a budget of roughly about 500 to 600 crores, which we used to spend under MGNREGA. And within a matter of 4.5 years today, that amount of utilization has jumped from 500, 600 crores today to 1,600 crores. That's the amount of additional expenditure taking place in terms of the money going to the people of the state and in terms of the infrastructure being created at the grassroots level because of the implementation of this scheme.